one, a two, a one,
2,
3,
4.
Ancient ninjas from the past.
Ancient ninjas arriving at last. Why do they happen to arrive at this time? Are they gonna fight with any reason or rhyme?
Ancient ninjas from the past.
Ancient ninjas arriving at last.
Yay!
Boom! Hello, Destructive Dino and Destructive Dino's uncle and giant robot. How are you today?
No, my name is Megabot.
Oh, Megabot, sorry.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Oh, God.
What are we going to do?
Well, the ancient ninjas are right there in their vehicle.
Oh, no. Whoa. They have an airplane now?
Yes.
Do they also have a tank?
No,
Oh, that's your tank?
that's our tank.
Oh, okay, good. And then there's a crazy ancient ninja building with the Stegosauruses all guarding one direction. Destructive Dino, what are we going to do?
Wow. If they're using an airplane, we have to bring Prime for this.
Oh, okay. Prime, are we ready to fight?
Did you say air attack?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
Are we ready?
No one can stop me.
Whoa, those ancient ninjas are going crazy with their new technologies. Prime, are you ready?
Yes.
Set, go. All right, good job. Thank you, Prime. All right, Destructive Dino, are you ready to go for it?
Yes.
Ready, set, go.
Dino kick. Giant rope. Let's go. Maybe we need a meteor attack. Hi.
Wobble boosh. Wow, what a
knocked it over.
what a crazy meteor attack. All right.
Hi. Hiya. Roar. Revenge. Nothing. Dino kick.
He's so the dino is so strong.
Megabot, take your turn. Yeah. Hiya.
All right, good job. Good job, everyone. Destructive Dino,
Yes.
do you have any messages for the audience?
We'll see you in the next video. Alphabet Ninjas. Goodbye.
Alphabet Ninjas Water Clan. 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 Alphabet Ninjas Water Clan.